Insert the USB plug into both the machine and the computer. Tap the settings icon and enable USB file transfer. Once the connection is successful, paste the copied files into the pop-up USB drive. Adjust the laser module focal length. Tap to select the uploaded image. Select the corresponding material. Set the engraving parameters. Drag the image to the engraving area. Tap the frame button to preview the engraving area. Tap to start engraving.